Is hanging your laundry on a clothesline worth it or just painfully frugal? Welcome back to Frugal or Foolish, where we break down the dollars, the cents, and the sanity behind everyday money decisions. Today we are diving into the cost savings and lifestyle quirks of ditching your dryer. You might be asking, why would you want to line dry your clothes in the year 2025? For starters, it's gentler on fabric. That means your wardrobe's gonna last longer, less shrinkage, less pilling, and fewer times that you say, this used to fit me perfectly. That alone might have you wanting to dry your clothes on a clothesline. Let's talk numbers. The average electric dryer uses about 3 kilowatt hours per load. That's roughly 50 to 70 cents every time you press start. Doing 5 loads a week, that's over $150 a year just to dry your clothes. But don't forget to add the cost of dryer sheets, yearly dryer vent cleaning, which you should be doing, by the way. Don't make your home a fire hazard. And of course, the dryer itself. A new dryer can cost $500 to $1,500 depending on the model. Even a budget-friendly option still sets you back hundreds. So if you're moving into a new place, downsizing, or replacing a busted unit, skipping the dryer altogether could mean instant savings, not just on energy, but on the appliance itself. Now let's talk about the clothesline. You have 0 energy costs, 0 emissions, and clothes that come off the line smelling like sunshine and maybe a little pollen. But there are trade-offs. It takes time, it takes space, and in rainy climates, your living room might double as an indoor jungle of damp jeans and socks. Ugh. Back to the numbers. Depending on how often you do laundry, the annual savings range is somewhere between $100 to $175. Over 10 years, that's more than $1,000, enough for a plane ticket somewhere warm, where your clothes will dry outside in 10 minutes. So, is line drying frugal or foolish? I'm putting this one slightly on the frugal side. If you got the time, space, and weather on your side, line drying is a smart way to save some cash and extend the life of your clothes, which is the biggest win for me. But if you're juggling work, kids, and a mountain of laundry, oftentimes the dryer is the best option. Personally, I do a little bit of both. I line dry my favorite pieces, the ones I really want to last, and toss the rest in the dryer. Now I want to hear from you. Let me know in the comments. Would you line dry to save some money or to help your clothes last longer? And hey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and come back every Friday for another round of Frugal or Foolish.